series of learning C++ programming language. In this session I am going to explain structures in C++. Already this concept we have seen in C programming language. Structure is nothing but a user defined data type that you can use to group together multiple data type elements. Let you want to express any entity and for that you want to create any user defined data type, then you can use this structures concept. See, in C++ we have to see the class concept. That is the main concept in object orientation. But before learning class, you must know the basics of structures concept. Structure is nothing but a way to create user defined data type. For example, if you want to represent any entity, for example student, then in C there is only one way to create data type that represents student, that is with the help of structure. Now for that we write like this, struct student, and then we write here, suppose student is having roll number, then we write like this int RNO. Then student is having name, for that we write like this character name of let 20. Here I am considering only first name. Okay, now some other data about student you can write all fields here with data types. Now what is this? These are just the members of that student entity. These are the attributes or characteristics the student will have. Okay, now we have to close here and give semicolon. This is a way to create a user defined data type. Here see, roll number is of type integer, name is of type character. Means this is again a way to bind different data type elements together. Getting? Now here what I am doing actually, see, there are basically inbuilt data types like int, char, float. Okay, these are basic data types provided by C. Again C++ also provides this. Now these basic data types are capable of holding only single value, and that is of some particular type, like int can hold only whole numbers, character char can hold only character values. In this way, see, we have again seen that derived data type concept. In that derived data type we have seen arrays. Now array is nothing but a group of similar kind of data elements. Now there may be a requirement like I want a data type that will represent a student, and in C for that this structure concept is there. Okay, in this way we have to create structure, and if you want to create any one variable of that structure, then how to create? See, in this way we have to create, we have to write like struct student and then s1 comma s2, any number of variables we can create. Now s1 will hold internally roll number and name, again s2 will hold roll number and name. Okay, we can again create array of that structure, that is again fine. Okay, now what is this? This is the user defined data type. I mean, just like a primitive data type we can use this. But see, but there is some difference that we cannot write only student, we have to compulsory write struct student here. This is inside C programming language. Now C++ also supports this structure concept, but there are some differences in C++. Some advanced features are added in this structure in C++. What are those? C++ structure can have data members as well as member functions. Now what is this member function concept? See, if you want to write any functionality about that student object, that you can write here. Here we have just declared variables which are related with that struct student. Again, in addition to variables, means attributes, we can write functionality inside this structure. Now how to write that functionality? See, here we will write like this, get data. Okay, this type of function I want to write. I will write like this, void get data, and here we can accept the roll number and name. Okay, here we will just write like cout enter roll number, then C in RNO. In the same way we can write like enter name and C in name. We have written some functionality for this student entity. Means here these are just data members, these are just characteristics, and this is the behavior of that student. Means simple way, this is a functionality that we can do with that student object. We can accept data about that student object. In this way we can again write display function for that. Means here you can combine data members and member functions. Means you can combine the characteristics or attributes of the student and as well as functionality around that student inside a structure in C++. This is the first difference in that is structures in C and structures in C++. And the second difference is here that you can create variable of that structure student in the same way, just like a basic data type. How in C++ we can create variable like this student, and here we will write only S1, S2. Means here we are not writing struct student, we are just writing student. This is the second difference. Getting? Now here we have covered structures in C++ concept. In the next session we will see classes and objects. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.